Welcome back to our channel CUTETURTLE Kidz TV. Today we learn 1 to 10 numbers with the help of school buses. Let's start. 1. 1 for one bus. One school bus. Next 2. 2 for 1, 2. 2 buses. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 buses. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buses. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 buses. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 buses. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 buses. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 buses. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 buses. And 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 buses. Again 1. O-N-E. 1. In yellow color. 1 bus. 2. T-W-O. 2 buses. Next 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 buses. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buses. Next 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 buses. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 buses. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buses. Next 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 buses. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 buses. And last 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 buses. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Tata.